Hey there, money seekers! Welcome back to the channel where we explore all the exciting ways you can make money online. Whether you're looking to earn a little extra cash on the side, or aiming to replace your full-time income, you're in the right place. Are you ready to turn your free time into hard cash? Imagine getting paid for doing things you already enjoy, like playing video games or sharing your opinions through surveys. Sounds too good to be true? Well, stick around because I'm going to show you how it's done. But before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my tips on making money online. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on the valuable content I have lined up for you. Also, drop a comment below to tell me which country you're watching from so I can create specific videos for your region. Your feedback helps me tailor my content to better serve you, so don't be shy. Alright, so let's talk about one of the best money-making apps out there, Gemsloot. This app is a game changer for anyone looking to earn money in their spare time. It's user-friendly, reliable, and most importantly, it pays. Yeah, you heard that right. Gemsloot pays you for playing games and participating in online surveys. It's a win-win situation. You get to have fun and make money at the same time. How cool is that? And the best part? You don't need to deposit a single penny, and you can cash out quickly. Here's how it works. You select an offer that you want to complete. You complete the offer, you collect the balance, and you cash out. It's that simple. The process is straightforward and transparent, so you always know what to expect. Plus, you get to see how much each offer is going to pay you up front. No guessing games, no hidden fees, just clear, honest earnings. This transparency is what sets Gemsloot apart from other money-making apps. No hidden surprises, just honest earnings. You can trust that what you see is what you get, making it easier to plan your earnings and reach your financial goals. Getting started is super easy. You don't need to be a tech wizard to navigate the app. The sign-up process is quick and straightforward, so you can start earning in no time. You'll select the sign up button, create an account, or you can even sign up using your Google account. This makes the process even faster and more convenient. And here's a little secret. When you select create an account, you stand a chance of winning up to $250. How awesome is that? It's like getting a head start on your earnings. Now let's talk about cashing out. This is where Gemsloot really shines. You have multiple options to choose from, making it incredibly flexible. You can withdraw your earnings to your PayPal account, different cryptocurrencies, Roblox, and even amazing gift cards. The variety of options ensures that you can choose the one that best suits your needs. Whether you prefer cash, crypto, or gift cards, Gemsloot has got you covered. The flexibility is incredible, and you can choose the option that suits you best. This makes it easier to integrate Gemsloot into your financial planning. So, what are you waiting for? The sooner you start, the sooner you can start earning. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Download Gemsloot today and start turning your free time into money. It's a simple, fun, and effective way to boost your income. And hey, once you start earning, come back and share your experience in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Your feedback helps others in the community and can inspire more people to join in. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications to stay updated on future videos. Your support means the world to me and helps keep this channel going. Until next time, keep hustling and making that money. Remember, every little bit counts, and with the right tools and mindset, you can achieve your financial goals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.